What if your Twitch stream never felt empty again? Hey guys, my name is Marcus, and I make Twitch tutorial videos to help you grow faster and smarter. I've been streaming on Twitch and Kick for years. Like many of you, I always wanted to hit partner status, but growth isn't just about streaming longer, it's about engagement, active chat, real movement, a stream that feels alive. Now let me talk a little bit about Followers Panda. Followers Panda is a social media services platform that focuses on helping streamers and creators increase engagement on platforms like Twitch and Kick. It offers different types of growth services designed to make your stream look more active and engaging. In this video, I'll show you how buying Twitch chatters in 2026 works and how you can set it up step by step. Go to the website and open the menu. Click on Buy Twitch Chatters. Choose the package you want. For this example, we're buying 15 chatters for this account. Click Buy Now. On the checkout page, enter your Twitch username and your email address. Click Proceed to checkout. You'll receive a verification code in your email. Copy that code, paste it on the verification page, create your password, and continue. On the final checkout page, double-check your username. Then choose your payment method: credit card, debit card, PayPal, or crypto. Once the payment is completed, the chatters will start appearing within a few minutes. As you can see, the chat becomes more active and lively. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.